Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Bagarswala Construction Corporation upcoming new launch project located in Bandra East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the land parcel. Over here is the land parcel. This is the land parcel where you can see the construction is in full swing. This is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, talking about the project overview, this is the actual model of the project. This project will be constructed on a land parcel of 0.3 acres that will have one tower with two wings having one basement, ground, plus 22 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Talking about the amenities, this project will have 10 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, kids play area and many more amenities. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Kher Nagar, Bandra East. From where Bandra railway station is only 500 meters, BKC it has a distance of 1 kilometer, International Airport is at a distance of 4.5 kilometers, Western Express Highway is only 100 meters away, and school, colleges and hospital is within a distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Now, talking about the configuration and carpet area, this project will have 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK carpet area of 700 plus square feet and 3 BHK carpet area of 1000 plus square feet. Now, talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project will open soon. Till then, the client can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview, will tell you the launch pricing and will also tell you the benefits of EOI. And then, if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 5 lakhs for 2 BHK and 7 lakhs for 3 BHK. Also, these EOI will have multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts. The token holders will be called first to choose their preferable flat and the token will also be 100% refundable, which means after giving the token, if the client doesn't want to go ahead for any reason, they will be refunded 100% of token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of Bagarswala Construction Corporation newly launched upcoming project located in Bandra East.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.